Here's some 1970s luxury. Check this out, 1978 Lincoln Town Car. Absolutely beautiful. Took this particular car in on trade. Now available to purchase here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular Lincoln does have the big engine under the hood, the 7.5 liter. Odometer reads a little over 53,000 miles. That is believed to be actual miles on it. Once the cars get to be so old that the miles don't get recorded on the title. So everything, you look at the interior, underneath the hood, underneath this car, the paint, completely believe that it's 53,000 miles. But check over the still pictures, take a look at it yourself. Come up with your conclusion, but very nice looking car. Those still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on that, take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Played around with the options a little bit on this. As you can see, the headlight covers are closed right now. They do open, work properly. Power antenna, which comes up in the back, also works. AC was blowing cold in it. Just had it running a little bit ago, checking things over. Power steering, power brakes. As you can see, it's got the rear landau roof to it. Opera window there. Just a classy looking car. 1978 Lincoln, so cool. And you can see up and down the side of it, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Not a thick car, hasn't been all redone. Not a bunch of filler in it. You just look up and down the length of that, how straight it is. Paint is in nice shape, has a nice luster to it, as you can see by the reflection. Like I said, we did take this one in on trade, so we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can sure assist you with the transportation of getting this beauty to where you're located at. Take a look at that reflection. That's the roof in the trunk there. Yeah, just look at the reflection from the roof of the building. Kind of the sheets we have up, or the divider we have up. Wow, great looking car. Vinyl also in nice shape, as you can see back here. Show the interior too. Leather is nice and subtle yet. Not all worn or cracked, but look up and down this car. Very, very nice shape. I don't think there's a lot of examples like this one out there yet. And again, odometer is about 53,000 miles approximately. Take a look at the leather seats here. Like I said, nice and subtle yet. See, they're not cracking or brittle or anything like that. And pretty much all stock from what I can see. Not a ton of modifications or things changed or redone on this one. Let's check out this back seat too. And look at this. Look at how nice a shape that leather's in. If you're looking for a nice luxury car from the 70s, big old cruiser, here you go. Once again, still pictures. Check out the engine bay, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or like I said, down below this video in the description. Click on the link, it'll take you right there. Our number is 507-386-1726. Feel free to call us. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check it out on the inside here. Oh, by the way, pretty cool here. 8-track player. Radio did work. Had that on just a little bit ago. Like I said, had the AC blowing cold. I'm going to click the lights on too so you can see. The headlight covers work. That power antenna switch is right here. Let's raise that up too, and I'll show you if the antenna goes up properly. Dash. Nice shape also, not cracked. Nice running car. Slip around to the back here. First of all, there's your antenna. See that it went up fine with the power switch. Slip around up here to the front. Show you the headlight. Headlight doors work fine. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. Let's check out the engine bay too. See how clean that is under there. All right, we got 7.5 liter big dog underneath here. Look at how smooth that runs. Again, you can see how clean everything is on it from the labels, engine. Like I said, odometer reads 53,000 miles. No reason to believe that that's not the accurate miles on there. Check out the shape of the hood liner, even also a nice shape. Beautiful 1978 Lincoln Town Car. One more time, uniqueclassiccars.com is the link you can go to. It's down below this video in the description. Click on it. That'll take you there. Our number, 507-386-1726. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located at. Give us a call.